Everyone keeps asking the wrong question. Which jobs will AI replace? But the smarter question is, which jobs will AI create? Because while millions of people are worried about losing opportunities, a new group of people is quietly positioning themselves for opportunities that didn't even exist a few years ago. And here's the crazy part. Some of the fastest growing careers of the next decade may be impossible to predict if you're only looking at the world the way it works today. By the end of this video, you'll understand why AI isn't just destroying jobs, right? It may be creating some of the biggest career opportunities we've ever seen. Imagine standing at the beginning of the internet in the 1990s. Would you spend all your time worrying about jobs disappearing or looking for the opportunities being created? And most people focus on what they're about to lose. Very few focus on what they're about to gain. That's exactly what's happening with AI. Every headline talks about automation, every discussion talks about replacement, but history shows something interesting. New technology rarely removes opportunity. It usually moves opportunity. The people who recognize where it's moving often gain the biggest advantage. Here's something most people never realize. Some of today's careers didn't even exist 20 years ago. Social media managers, app developers, content creators, influencer marketing specialists. These jobs appeared because technology changed. AI may create the same pattern. Whenever a powerful tool enters society, new industries emerge, new problems appear, and new opportunities follow. The future isn't running out of jobs, it's creating different ones. What if one of the fastest growing jobs isn't building AI, but teaching it? AI systems learn from data, they learn from feedback, they learn from human guidance. As AI becomes more advanced, companies need people who can evaluate outputs, improve responses, and align AI systems with real-world goals. This isn't science fiction, it's already happening, and demand may continue growing. The highest paid people in the AI economy may not be programmers, they may be problem solvers. Businesses don't buy technology, businesses buy solutions. Someone must understand company problems, build AI workflows, and connect tools together. The person who knows how to save a company time and money may become more valuable than the person who simply understands software. That's a huge shift. The biggest winners may not be humans, and they may not be AI. They may be people who combine both. Think about designers using AI, writers using AI, marketers using AI, consultants using AI. Professionals who combine expertise with technology can often produce more work faster and at a higher level. The future may belong to people who learn collaboration instead of competition. The more powerful AI becomes, the more important trust becomes. Businesses need accuracy, governments need accountability, customers need confidence, and someone must verify AI decisions, someone must identify mistakes, someone must ensure reliability. The future may create entire industries focused on AI oversight and trust, and most people aren't talking about it yet. A degree alone may no longer be enough, but neither is AI. The future rewards valuable skills, communication, critical thinking, problem solving, leadership, decision making. AI increases the value of these abilities. It doesn't replace them. That's why skill development may become more important than ever before. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people won't miss the future because they lack intelligence. They'll miss it because they react too slowly. Every major technological shift follows the same pattern. And early adopters learn, most people watch, then years later, everyone wishes they had started earlier. The biggest risk isn't AI. The biggest risk is waiting too long to adapt. The strange thing about massive opportunities is that they rarely look obvious in the beginning. When opportunities become obvious, competition arrives. The people gaining advantages today are often preparing before everyone else notices, learning, experimenting, building, improving, and positioning themselves for what's coming next. That's how opportunity compounds. The future may not belong to the people who fear AI, and it may not belong to the people who blindly trust AI. It may belong to the people who understand it, the people who learn how to work with it, the people who recognize where opportunity is moving before everyone else. Because the jobs that will explode because of AI may not simply be technology jobs. They may be the careers built by people who adapt faster than the world around them. If you want to stay ahead of AI, future careers, online income, and emerging opportunities, subscribe to Future Flow AI, because the future rewards preparation long before it rewards results.